You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. This is, of course, a number, 1, 2, 3. Both British and American English pronunciations are slightly different. Let's break them down. The British English pronunciation, the way it is pronounced in the UK, four. You could spell it F-A-W, four. American English pronunciation pronounces the R a bit more. In the US, the pronunciation is normally as four. Four American English or four British English. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.